sweetheart. Hey. Hey. Hey, honey. Hi, honey. Hi. You are beautiful. Hello. 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 Hi. Yeah, hello. You are beautiful. I fell down the whole hill just to get you. I really did like a faceplant pretty much running after him. Oh man, they're laughing at me in the background. I really ran as fast as I could, but my legs were tired. I was working on painting a deck here, and I had to run out from underneath. There's like a garden enclosure, and then I had to run up a hill. Oh, he's gorgeous. He's staying in his little den. He's so beautiful. I don't want to scare him, but he's ever so beautiful. Do you still see him? I feel like I lost them, but oh, what a beautiful man. Hello, my friend. I know hurt you. I just want to get a really good picture of you, handsome man. He's gorgeous. They seem to be very tame here. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Hello, you keep scratching. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, Remote-Backroad-Jungles, with a dash in between each word. And my link is www.youtube.com/@hiddenoasis-secret-pathfinder. Wow, look at him. Isn't he a beauty? See, I'm on a job right now. So I've got paint all over my hands. Can't see him. He's going down further down that way. Hold on. It's alright. I don't come after you. I just want to... I think he really wants to be left alone. I don't want to scare him anymore. But he's a beauty. I think I'm bothering him a little bit. Okay, honey, I think you want to go back by that rock, right? There's like a whole family over here of them. They are so pretty. You're a beautiful one. Look, honey, look. Can you look back at me for one last look? Can you look back at me, honey? Yes, you're so beautiful. Thank you. I leave you alone now, okay? You want to stay here with your family? I'll leave you alone, my sweetheart. They're very, very tame here. They're very happy on this property too. The deer come here too. Well, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, Remote-Backroad-Jungles, like I said before, with a dash in between each word, and my link is www.youtube.com/@hiddenoasis-secret-pathfinder. And I will see you next time. If I could get just a quick look at his face. Yeah, I'm pushing it too much. Okay, bye, honey. I gotta go now. Bye.